Welcome to day 20 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today, we'll be practicing with letting the breath breathe itself. So let's find a comfortable posture to practice. We could either be seated upright, we could be lying down, even standing. Whatever posture allows you to remain at ease and also alert. I'll invite you to close your eyes if that feels supportive for going inward. Otherwise, you can also keep your eyes just a quarter of the way open, gazing softly down towards the floor. Let's take a slow, deep breath in together intentionally through the nostrils and releasing through the nostrils. Letting the breath now return to its natural rhythm, not trying to change or force it in any way. And this might be the first time today that we've actually paid attention to our breath. But we can notice that breathing is already happening. We don't need to think about taking an in breath or taking an out breath. We don't have to make it happen. The body knows how to breathe. And in this way, the breath is really breathing itself. So instead of intentionally breathing in and intentionally breathing out, taking that backward step where we're simply observing the breath as it flows naturally, letting our body be breathed, allowing the breath to breathe itself. And if you notice any subtle manipulating or controlling of the breath, just seeing and again letting go, letting the breath just happen on its own. Awareness, simply observing, observing with a deep curiosity, not adjusting or changing the breath in any way. Just simply observing what happens when the body breathes itself. Breath rising and breath falling. And if you notice the mind wandering, just drawing attention back to the body breathing. Noticing even when lost in thought, the breath is still breathing itself. Nothing to do, just resting. Noticing how the body feels now. Thank you for practicing with me on day 20 of our meditation challenge. And I do hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.